Laxmi Organic Industries Ltd, a chemicals manufacturer. The company was incorporated in the year 1989 and got listed on NSE and BSE in 2021. They are based in Mumbai, with more than 750 employees and 700 workers. They have 4 manufacturing plants, located in Mahad, Jarandeshwar, and Panchganga. 2 new manufacturing plants are coming in, Lote-Parshuram and Dahej. Company also has 3 international offices in Netherlands, UAE, and China. The market cap of the company is 7,074 crore rupees, and currently trading at 256 rupees per share. The company has a 22% CAGR for 3-year sales growth, and 36% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. 2 main business units of the company are essential chemicals and specialty chemicals. About 68% of the revenue is generated from essential chemicals, and 32% from specialty chemicals. These chemicals are used in diverse industry segments for various applications. About 42% of the revenue is generated from pharmaceuticals, 31% from printing packaging, 13% from agrochemicals, and 14% from inks and paints. The company is showcasing strong financial records. There is a drop in profits due to recent capital expenditures. There has been small drop in the promoters' holding in the last 4 quarters. We can see some foreign and domestic investments in the company. In October 2023, company allotted around 96 lakh shares at a premium of 267 rupees and 20 paise to qualified institutional buyers. Some clients of the company are Alembic Pharmaceuticals, Hetero Labs, Laurus Labs, Granules India, UPL Limited, Huber Group India, McLeod's Pharmaceuticals, Suving Pharmaceuticals, Colotex Industries, and more. About 30% of the revenue is generated from Europe, 21% from Asia Pacific, 8% from Africa, 26% from Americas, and 15% from Middle East. Coming to some key highlights. Company is setting up 2 new manufacturing plants in Lote-Parshuram and Dahej, which are expected to be completed in 3 years. Company commands a 50% market share in the specialty intermediates in India. They also command a 30% market share in the acetyl intermediates in India. Company is the top 3 players globally for acetyl intermediates. They are certified by Department of Scientific and Industrial Research. Company produces more than 50 products and has more than 620 active clients. They export to more than 52 countries from Asia, Americas, Europe, and Africa. With a revenue concentration of 36% from exports and 64% from domestic. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.